Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. I just want to talk to you about something pretty quick. Let's say somebody's messing around with your tools, maybe a kid or, I don't know, your husband or your wife or whoever. But anyway, somebody's messing with your tools. They put one of your sockets on your extension upside down. Now it's stuck in there. Boy, that's probably never going to come out. Who knows? I'm just going to take it to my vise. I'm going to take a punch. I'm going to try to put it inside, and I'm going to see if I can catch on the inside right here where my extension comes through and see if I can drive the extension out. So let's see if I can give it a shot here. Or maybe it's just a mean April Fool's joke, who knows. I'm just gonna see if I can pop this out. I don't know, I'm not liking this one. Cool beans. All right, so that's what we were dealing with. As you can tell, it's not a regular extension. Somebody had this puppy jammed in there pretty good. I don't know how or why somebody would have done it, but we got it out, and that's pretty much how you do it. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.